Dear students, so today I will talk about conditions and loops. So first, I will just name this one as conditions and loops. So I will have these two topics in this video. So let's try the loops, the conditions first, and you will see that how the condition works. Let's suppose there are two variables, A, in which I assign, for example, 100, okay, and I write comment like this is my first variable, right? Just for a comment, right? B, B is, let's suppose, 80, okay, and I just write a comment. This is optional. These comments are optional. This is my second variable, okay. Okay, then I say if A is greater than um, B, okay, and then I must have this full colon, okay. I say print, I say print, yeah, okay, A is greater than B, right? Variable, okay, okay, and if say for example else means in case if it is not like this one, then print, say, oops, B is greater than A, right? So this is like, vice versa condition. So most probably the first will be executing because this condition will be because A is definitely greater, 100 is greater than 80. So this will be the output, right? So if you want to write some comments over here, you can write it like, for example, this is if statement, okay, and this one is else statement, right? So else and if means like in if this condition is true, if this condition is true, then this line will be executed. If this condition is not true, then this else will be executed over there. So let's see if it is like working properly. Okay, so let's have a run on it. Okay, so in this case, yeah, A is greater than B, right? Okay, now let's change it. Like now let's change it. I remove this one. Now B is greater. Now let me run this one and see. Oops, B is greater than A, right? So you see over here, when I change the values, the conditions also automatically change based on the mathematical things. So by this way, the whole the output is changed, right? So if I increase like 100, okay, even if I increase like to 81, still it will be that would be the condition over here. So if you see over here, see this one is the conditional statements. Okay, now let's try for the loops. Okay, so how we do the loops. So now let's see, try for the loops. So for is for k in range, let's suppose I put it 10. Okay, so this will be executed 10 times. Okay, and then I say print, print, let's suppose if I print what I want to print, I want to print k and then also some text, for example, hello CBA, right? So definitely there will be an error. Okay, why? Because we need, I think there is a full colon, I need it, right? And also the print needs indentations. Okay, so by this way, yeah, now it works well, right? So these two are important thing. Usually students, they do mistake here, while like they forget this full colon, right? This is not a semicolon, this is a full colon with the two dots up and down, and then we also need this space. This is called indentation. That is most important thing. So you see over here, so k is just a variable and we repeat it for 10 times. Let's suppose if I repeat for 20 times, would it repeat like that? So yeah, it's 20 times repeated, right? Let's repeat for like 100 times. Okay, let's have, now it is repeated for 100 times. Now see over here, this is 100 times. Why? Because 99, because it starts from 0, because 0 is included. So most of the programming language, it starts with the 0, so that's why 0 is included. So you will not get 100 full. Why? Because so 0 is one, 0 is just a starting point, not the one, right? This is about the loops concept and how the loops works, right? So I hope you get the points. So the difference between In conditions one, we check the conditions whether the condition is true or not. So this is the conditions. While in the loops, we give some values for the looping, so that how the loops works. So let's suppose I run it 5 times, it will run 5 times. So this is 0, starting 1. The total is basically 5, right? See, if you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So the total is 5 over here. Okay, so this is the all about the condition statement, like if and else statements and the for loops. I hope you like this one. Thank you very much.